Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Sam Froster, and today we're going to be talking about that if this thing is any practical. So here we've got an RX-8 right here. It's my friend's car. You know him, Ibrahim. He's been in a lot of the videos before as well. And it's gonna be like a walkthrough of this car, if it's practical or not. We're gonna go around the car, the trunk spaces, the interior, and how many seats it's got. I mean, just to tell you if this car can be used as a daily driven car. Body is so wide, as you can tell. We've got a Honda Reborn back there. You can tell the difference of how wide and thick this car is. The fender, look at the fender, how thick and out it goes. It's like a wide body kit, but it's without a wide body kit. Show us the interior, how it opens. It's got a 2-door system. I never knew this existed until now. You've got the back here, 2 seats in the back. Not for tall people like us, but yeah, we can fit in there. And we've got the front sporty seats, you know, all the bucket feeling of a sports car. This is the MP3 system. We got the whole controls here. It's also got Bluetooth. There we go. There's a screen. Navigation system. The gear selector. It's a manual, 6-speed manual. So the manual has more horsepower than the automatic. Gauge cluster is amazing. The point is, it's quite old. It's 2003 model, but still, you know, people are willing to buy this thing even now, and because of the looks, actually. So as you can see, the interior of this car is quite good for one person only. I mean, if you don't have a family, you're not responsible. If you're a teenager, you just gotta go to school and to parties and places, then this is a cool car for you. But if you have a family, I don't think it's practical due to the lack of space. Let me show you. It's got this handle right here. Opens the second little door, tiny door, and it's got 2 seats in the back. So Ibrahim is 6 feet, more than 6 feet, and he is back in there, knees touching the seat. No knee space, no leg room. What about the head space? Near nothing. I mean, you gotta plug yourself in. Quite tight, but it works. I mean, if your friends they gotta sacrifice. It's all about the looks outside. So you've got some features as well. You've got some storage here. I don't know much, but some cup holders here. Another storage compartment there. Oh, there we go. Has a backseat pocket. And not much back going on in here, but very less vision from the back, as you can see. Small mirrors. Thank you everyone for the recent support I've been getting on the channel. Even though I wasn't uploading, it's a huge thing. Come on, thank you guys for that. And other people have been, you know, asking me to talk in Urdu because I'm in Pakistan. I live in Pakistan and I was born in Pakistan. But this is an you know, international channel, you know. That's why I talk in English. Otherwise, I've got no problem talking in Urdu. And many Indians, many Pakistanis have asked me to conversate with you guys in Urdu as well. Let me know in the comments below, what should I do from now on? Now I'm gonna show you how low this car is. Check that out. That is touching the freaking fender. Taking out the car is very easy. It's wide. It only has rear parking sensors, not front parking sensors. Am I right? हाँ, सीट बेल्ट मैंने भी नहीं पहनी और इसने भी नहीं पहनी और हम बस वीडियो के लिए बस कर रहे हैं, वरना हम पहनते नहीं हैं। We've also done the acceleration in this car. It's 0 to 62 miles per hour, which is 100 kilometer, is 7 seconds. Can you imagine that? It's a 1300 kilogram car and it does that in 7 seconds. So it's 240 horsepower, 238 on the manual and 232 on the automatic, but it serves you just well. The interior is very comfy. It's big and wide, and the head, you know, the head space is this much, you can tell. So yeah, about the leg room, I mean, this is the driver's leg room. And this is my leg room, and you can tell this thing is like a void in space. It is so much huge that I feel like I'm on a bed. I'm all the way down, and the seat still has space to go back and, you know, move back and forth. You know, for long routes, it's good. And even in the driver's side, it has a lot of leg room. Rotary needs a lot of attention. Rotary cannot be handled by a normal guy who's not a car enthusiast. Only a car enthusiast can handle this car. We've been out for like 5 minutes. The tank of this car was full. And now we've lost 1 point already. That's the point where it comes to all of the practicality, the fuel economy. क्या है average इसकी?
इसकी है 5-6 maximum.
So 5 kilometers per liter, 6 kilometers per liter maximum. तो
और अगर तो आपने सही खींच के भगाई है ना, तो आपकी 3-4 पे भी चली जाती है.
Obviously 240 horsepower hai. That is the only factor that calls it non-practical and non-economical car, because it is fuel drinking monster, literally. You can't do daily stuff on this. What do you think? I mean,
हाँ सही बात है. जैसे कि अब हम आम गाड़ियों पे चले जाते हैं, कोई सौदा लेने, कोई सामान दुकान से लेने या पानी भरने, तो इस पे नहीं जा सकते. उसके लिए हमें बाइक यूज़ करनी पड़ती है.
Now it's about the trunk space. Let's go in the back. It's got a big trunk actually. There. Now, as you can see, we've got a whole lot of room in there. It's all room. It goes all the way back up there. So that means you can fill 3 to 4 big bags in there. What that means is it's good for long trips. Check. That's it guys for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was me and Ibrahim. Thanks for him to letting us explore his car. And that was the RX-8 review. Not the review, it was just if it is practical or not. And you can say, yes it is and no it's not. Depends on how your life is. Isn't that right? Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. SLS, you know what that means. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video. Coming soon. Bye.